Hi everyone, here we've got DOOGEE X80 and let me show you how to show battery percentage on this device. So first of all, let's get into the settings. Then simply choose the battery, and here we've got the battery percentage option. As you can see, we can show battery percentage in the status bar. In order to activate that feature, simply tap on this switcher right next to it. And as you can see, right next to the battery icon, we've got the exact percentage of the usage of the battery. In order to turn it off and leave only the battery icon, let's tap on the switcher. And as you can see, we've got only the battery icon on the status bar. But let me turn it on because it is quite useful. So that's all. This is how to set battery percentage in your DOOGEE X80. And thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.